You nasty, the watch I mean. But this Timex is here for restoration, so that's okay. Let's see what I've got to work with. I bought this 35mm Timex Easy Reader in an online auction for almost nothing, as it had no other bidders. It's badly pitted, scratched, dirty, and bashed up. Let's see if I can turn it into something special. Let's get to work. Not much talking planned in this video, except for when I want to explain certain processes or observations. I hope I might inspire you too to have a go at rescuing a timeless classic from the scrap heap. If you learn anything useful, please like the video for me. Thanks. I'm beginning to ponder the indifferent relationship its previous owner had with personal hygiene. Spending hours restoring an affordable watch that is still in production isn't necessarily smart, because most people probably earn enough money from a couple of hours of work to buy a brand new one of these. I'll put an affiliate link in the description to where you can grab a new Timex Easy Reader. If you use it to buy something, I can earn a small fee, the usual disclaimer. This is the ultrasonic cleaner. It's not the time to do this. I just don't want to handle it anymore until it's somewhat cleaner. I guess we'll test its water resistance a little too. Five minutes later. I can take a better look at what I've got now. Time for disassembly. Flawless style. The design really lives up to its easy reader ethos. The case and case back can now get a thorough clean in the ultrasonic. For some reason I put the case back O-ring in here, but I'll be replacing that. That's a bit sharp. That will do. I only wanted to improve it slightly. Examining the brass case, I see quite a lot of scratches and pitting to the outer plating, particularly on the underside. There are some quite deep pits in the brass that need to be worked out. Still plenty of sanding to go. This lip on the profile of the underside had to be worked out completely. We can see on the other side it's just too crusty to do anything else with it other than to reshape the case design a little. Much sanding later, we can see some progress. Still this side to do, which is a bit trickier because of the pendant tube in the way. I don't have the special tool needed to remove it. The best way to shape the material is by hand, no power tools. With your fingers, you can really feel what you're doing and shape the piece more precisely, especially with these more flowing sculpted forms, and there's also no danger of suddenly ruining the part this way. An hour or two later, next, I apply a nickel coating with electroplating. You can submerge it in the electrolyte solution for the traditional method of depositing nickel ions onto the surface, but I find it much more satisfying to brush plate. Not looking great yet, but we can see the difference compared to this side. Halfway, and now the case is complete. Looking pretty good. I decided to treat the watch to a sapphire crystal since the case design does nothing to protect the glass, and the mineral it had previously suffered quite badly. I paid £3.25 for the sapphire crystal from AliExpress, or about $4. Didn't need the crystal press. It seated properly just from a firm push fit. Not ideal, but it won't come out. Apparently untroubled by cause and effect, I set the time before installing the battery. We'll have to reset it. The stubborn caseback needed the press. Now, does the indigo light work? Fantastic. Sometimes I do these restorations. Subscribe if you'd like to see more, or check out one of my others that I'll link in the description for you. Here's a direct comparison of the before and after. What do you think?